Alright guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart today and I found the poo-poo platter. 2026 new truck. Here it is, guys. That's funny. And the poop on the side. And here's the back of it. Okay. Name, poo-poo platter, truck type, pickup, strain, feast and flush, crash test, chew and poo. There's a poop right there. This is hilarious. Pretty cool. There's a back. What the back looks like. Let's go ahead and, out of focus. Okay, let's go and open it. That's quick. Okay, guys, let me move all this to the back here. Okay, here it is. Oh, nice. Okay, it's like a baby blue, and then there's the poo-poo platter delivery service. 99, right? No, 99. I think it says 99. And no grill printing, no headlight printing. There's the top poo platter delivery service 99. On the back, removable toilet seat. It's plastic, all this, and then orange roll cage, dark blue chassis, white rims and B-locks, matte looking tires. I triple how the tires look matte sometimes like that. Like I guess the rubber looks like that. It reminds me of the Monster Jam. Alright guys, I got it feels kind of different to the tire. So I got 3 more trucks to go, guys. Peace out.